Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an arc error when you try to install a new game on your PC or on your laptop. Usually an arc and is done is the same problem. You can encounter this both problem. So because of mostly related to the installation of PC game as well as program of large size. Large games or programs have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here we go, based on answermicrosoft.com. Thank you for this user to share how to fix this error. The first method, you can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. So you can open one command box by hold Windows button or key plus R. Now one command box is open. Now you can try to open sysdm.cpl. Click OK. This is the system properties. You can click hardware, advanced, click performance settings, click advanced, and click change virtual memory. Untick the box. Here you can fill this custom size. So for most games 2.5 GB is enough. So the value which will work in most cases in 400 and 3000. Note that values are in megabytes, so this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, the button below. See you in the next video.